How's it going, everyone? My name is Jack, the third time's a charm, and tonight I'm going to teach you how to create AI employees to book appointments. Let's jump right in. Now, to make AI effective, I always say you got to optimize a process, and the goal here is how can we create an AI employee that can book appointments on our website through Facebook DMs, Instagram DMs, text. We want our AI to take a lot of the busy work off our plate so you can run your business. Now, the AI Empires is an agency built on high level. If you're using any form of high level, this is going to work for you. This tutorial is going to be in my membership community, which is free. And the doc from the Google Doc with the FAQ doc, I said doc a lot, is going to be in that membership community. It's free right now. Make sure you jump on it and join it. Probably not going to be free forever, but we got to get it rolling. So, what's the goal? I always like starting with the goal and working my way back for understanding. We want an AI assistant to book appointments. So when we say, let's see, start over, let's see what the AI comes back with. What day would you like to book your demo appointment? All right, so we have our AI engaged as an appointment booking AI. Let's say Wednesday. Let's go Thursday. I did Wednesday before, so let's go Thursday 19th. See what our AI has to say. Do you prefer a morning or afternoon on the 19th? Let's go morning. And it's important when you're training AI, just do one question at a time, because if you give your AI all the qualifying questions, they're going to ask them at once. You got to tell your AI, hey, do this one at a time. All right, so 9 a.m. Boom, let's see. And we'll book this appointment. We'll go see if it's in actually the AI Empire so you guys can get a full look at it. Name, please. Jack Amadei. So we're going to put some information in there. And my AI is trained to ask these questions. Hey, break it down. What's a good phone number? 720-242-4242. And these are made up numbers. It's going to be a made up email, but the name's real, so check it out. What's your email address? jack@gmail.com. And let's see if the appointment gets booked. I'll now book your demo appointment for, okay, thank you. See what it says after that. Anything else I need to help you with, or are you good to go? Your demo appointment. Okay. Feel free to ask. Now let's go check and see if that was booked. Let's go in there. We'll be in a demo account here. We'll go back and then I'll show you how to calendars, appointments. Okay. December 19th, 9 a.m. It booked that appointment in here. Check out Thursday, 9 a.m. There's the appointment. Our AI just booked. The Zoom meeting's in there. Life is good. From there, we can trigger a workflow to say, hey, send this email to the person that booked the appointment. We're good to go. Or our AI is going to handle booking that appointment. How do we really set that up? All right, so the first thing we're going to take a look at, and I'm working from the back to the beginning just to kind of show you the process of it. But within the AI Empires or high level, whatever you're using, there's an appointment booking AI agent that they've pre-built for you that you can set up based on what your company does to help you get going very, very quickly with AI employees. All right. So the AI for appointment booking bot I have on autopilot. This AI can respond to customers on the live chat, which you are watching, text, the chat widget, Facebook DMs on your Facebook page, and Instagram. Your AI employee can handle booking appointments across a lot of platforms. These are very effective, but no, if you want to make another appointment booking AI employee, you got to create it on a separate funnel. You can have that on the same domain, but you have to have a separate funnel. You can only have one AI employee per funnel for appointment book. But how do we get to that point and make this effective? So the first thing, and this is what I tell everybody when they're starting off an AI agent for anything. Start it off with a strong foundation. That way, when you're creating these agents, you're able to start them off on the right foot. And it's easier to create these agents that are employees. I say agents, that's Google's term, Vertex AI, which those are awesome. We'll do that later. But start them off with the right foundation, because it's easier to start them off correctly and take your time there than it is to turn around AI and say, oh, just kidding about your foundational training. Mess that up. We're going to go a different route. So to get started training your AI employees, this is what is inside of the AI Empires. Again, it is an agency built on high level, so this will work for any high level product. But you come in and it's just a Q&A. What is the AI Empire? Who is it for? What are the benefits? What are some features? All right. And I'm going to put this Google Doc. I have all of these questions and answers on a Google Doc. The reason I keep them on a Google Doc is because in December, I think of 2023, Google came out with a video saying, get your facts together. FAQ document. Basically what that means is, what do you do? This is what I do. And is it good for this business? Yes, it can help this business because. Can it help my dental practice? Yes, it can book appointments. Can it help my ad optimization company? Yes, I can tell people about what you do. It's just a Q&A. Don't overthink this. Take your time on it. Make sure it is what you do. And also consider putting in what you don't do. So for example, let's put one in. We'll just go, does the AI Empires sell for me? No. The AI Empires won't sell for you. The thing you can do is the initial engage, then AI employees over the conversation and book appointments. Okay. And that's something I like to tell people about as well. Like, everybody's like, I want to use AI for sales. And it's like, yeah. But could you imagine a world where AI just had free reign to go talk to people? Like, your inbox would never stop pinging from AI messages. I don't know about the future or how that's going to go, but today it doesn't let you do the initially engage with AI. That's something you're going to have to do. But how you optimize that process is do the initial engage. Anybody that is interested, have the AI take over from there. That way you can optimize your process for booking appointments. So it is important to start with that foundational FAQ and get that in there. We'll be able to put these questions in there one by one. And then what you do is you come in and you can test your bot. You can train it. Every time you talk to it, it trains. So, hey, you. And this is an important feature to check out as well, because you can like it. You can come in and you can edit it. All right. You can, so if it does something right, say yes. So, do you do taxes? See what it says there. You can kind of just trip it up and play with it. Sorry, we don't handle taxes. Okay, so good. And if you don't like the response, you can come in and you can edit the response, hit accept, and that will train your AI on what you're doing. But don't overlook this test bot training. This is going to be very helpful in setting up your AI to handle those responses. Okay, so that's going to be part of what we're doing, but these are going to set that foundation for your agent. You can also create this FAQ document on your website where you can put this Q&A, like customers are asking questions, where your AI can train from as well. Now, how are we going to get to this point? And then, really, what's the next step, or what was another step in this? We'll come over to the bot goals and I'll show you this step 2. And I know I'm working from the back to the front, but it's kind of easier to understand when you start with the goal and then see the process to get there. And then I'll show you how to get there. But with our personality, you want to give your AI agent, some foundation of what you do, greet the user, lightly greet the user, introduce yourself as Faith with the AI empires. I gotta stop typing in camel case. That is a programming deal that I need to get over and stop typing in camel case. But give your AI that foundation of a personality, what they do. Your goal is to sell the AI empires, but don't be too quick to sell. Here's the link. It's an all-in-one platform. So you want to give your AI that information and the intent. Like, what do we really want you to do? We want you to book people for a 30-minute demo call. Here's the link, provide general support, and then you can give your agent additional information. You can add some custom values in this too to provide, hey, here's the link for booking an appointment, or here's this, or here's that. And when we're looking through this, this is also something to take a look at, because if you're going to have an AI agent booking appointments, you're going to need to know some information. So you can train your AI employees to ask those qualifying questions. What is your name? What's a good phone number and email to call you at? What's the biggest challenges? And what would be something you want to improve or optimize? So you can set up your AI for appointment booking based on your goals. This goal is, hey, we need to sell the AI empires. We need to book appointments to show people how we do that. Be very specific in your intent, and then give the information that you need. A lot of times those are going to be qualifying questions. You want to see if it's going to be a good fit for your customers or your users based on what you're doing. Okay? So that is how we're going to get up to our appointment agent. And this is important to look at as well. So with your appointment booking agent, you can also trigger automations on the back end of that, which is important because you want to notify yourself or your team or whoever's in charge of those demo calls. Hey, AI booked an appointment. We want to send some information to them. We want to confirm, we want to set up appointment reminders. So those automations can come in on the back end, and that's what we want to be really clear on there. And what's going to be cool is High Level is actually going to be coming out with some more actions. So we can capture a few parameters and we can do different things. It's really awesome. They came out with a beta test of it of 2 days it was available, and it worked great. I think they're going to finalize it and roll it back out, but the functionality is going to be there as well. We really want to make sure we get these set up correctly. Okay, let's take a look at this. This video is going to be inside of the membership community. It is free right now inside of the AI Empires to join the community. Again, it's going to help you on everything high level. So really what I want to show you guys is, where do we start? Okay, this is where you're gonna want to start, and I can't emphasize this enough. I don't care what business you're in, what industry you're in, what target market, what niche, whatever. It does not matter anymore. The most important thing you can do for your business starting today is what Google told you to do in 2023 of December, and that is get your facts together. They say FAQ document. What does that mean? Question, answer. Put it together on a Google Doc. Why do I keep it on a Google Doc? Good question. Because then you can take it and go to Vertex AI. You can train other agents with it, but you want to have a foundational FAQ document. For example, if I'm booking appointments for a demo call, that AI employee might respond differently than an AI employee that's responding to customers on social media. The introduction is going to be different, and kind of how we approach things is going to be different. So you want to have a foundational FAQ document for your business. Doesn't matter your target market, doesn't matter your niche, doesn't matter if you're making hats. It doesn't matter if you're an e-commerce or a mechanic or a dentist or a real estate agent. Whatever industry you're in, create that FAQ document. Okay. So this is the community doc. So what we're going to do here is we got to copy this link, and this is going to be inside of the community. So we'll say, let's go to get started. Make a copy of this Google Doc, adjust it for your business. Want fast track AI employees. Jump. Yeah, we don't even need that. The link is below. Okay, we're gonna go LinkedIn Empires. Oh, that's the URL. So you need the AI Empires FAQ doc. All right, so that should take you to the FAQ doc. Now, what you're gonna do with this is go get that Google Doc, and in the next video, I'll show you really where to go take that, how to test it, and you'll be ready to go. I mean, in 2 videos, you're gonna be able to have full AI employees ready to rock and roll. So, hope you like the information on the introduction. We're gonna jump in on how to really install these and get them going. So, hang tight for the next one, and make sure if you guys in the community have any questions, post on the video tutorial request in the membership area. That way I kind of know what's coming and I can get you those videos on a live stream. It's a really effective way. If you just make a post, hey, I don't understand this, I just jump on a live stream real quick, put together a video, post it in the community, you're good to go. So I'm going to stop this recording. I'm not going to stop the live, but we'll jump into another recording right after this.